How to set up a pressure compensated system. GCC specializes in mobile equipment, and many of our customers call us for troubleshooting help. One of the most common calls GCC receives is regarding excess heat in their systems. One of the most common issues we see is pump pressure compensator set higher than the system relief valve. This is an issue because the pump compensator is never satisfied and the relief valve is constantly dumping high pressure oil back to tank. The industry standard for system relief valve setting is 250 to 300 psi higher than a pump compensator pressure setting. In order to check our system setup, we need to verify a few things. First, we need to ensure we are safe. This includes having the proper PPE, ensuring all components are properly rated and sized, and knowing what to anticipate when we apply power to the system. Second, be prepared with a method to check system pressure. This can be a pressure gauge or a pressure transducer. Third, ensure no functions are demanding flow from the hydraulic pump. Now that we are ready to run, how can you tell if your system is not set up correctly? If you adjust your pressure relief valve and your system pressure changes, that means your relief valve is controlling pressure. This is a bad thing. Other noticeable issues will be that the relief valve and surrounding manifold is operating at a much higher temperature than the hydraulic reservoir. Let's fix this together. The first setting to adjust is the relief valve pressure. Increase your relief valve setting until you are 250 to 300 psi above your desired system pressure. It is important to note that all components in your system must be rated to handle the higher pressure. If you are unable to get the system pressure 250 psi above your desired system pressure, check to ensure the following two things. 1. Ensure the system is not consuming flow from the pump. 2. Ensure the pump compensator is not controlling pressure. If it is, increase the pressure setting slowly until the relief valve can be properly set. Now that the relief valve is relieving at the correct pressure, tighten the lock nut on the adjustment screw in order to keep the relief valve set screw from vibrating loose and altering relief valve pressure setting. It is important to hold the set screw steady while tightening your lock nut to ensure the pressure setting is not altered. Once your relief valve is set, loosen your pressure compensator adjustment screw until the relief valve is no longer controlling pressure. From here, you will want to continue to loosen your pressure compensator adjustment screw until the pressure is at your desired system pressure. Tighten the lock nut onto the adjustment screw for your pump pressure compensator in order to keep the compensator set screw from vibrating loose and altering pump compensator pressure setting. Congratulations! You have successfully adjusted a pressure compensated pump and relief valve system.